Across the oceans, across the blue sky, I see your smiling face in my mind. Distance may be vast and time may fly. True friends stay close, they never say goodbye. Friends like stars, always shining bright, guiding me through loneliness night. Kind and true, the heart that's always pure, even when the world feels insecure. Dirt paths to city lights, we've shared our dreams and bad times. You lift me up when I'm in pain. You stood with me when I'm in the rain. Friends like when storms roll and skies turn gray, you're with me chasing the clouds away. With every tear, every laughter and every smile, you're the only one shining star in my sky. No matter how far life takes us next, when you need me, just send a text. Let me know